Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be saving to pay off some debt in our debt binder. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to make this video quick and easy because it is Sunday night, it's getting late, and I am ready to be chilling. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, move backward 1 space. Okay, so that's 2. All right, so $2 saved with this. This is a Lucky Savings game board. This is a collaboration with Simply Made and Lil's World. Okay, we're gonna go 1. This is, say, $5 per icon. Okay, so $5, $6, $7 going into here for this month. This is our first Sunday Games and Collabs day of the month, so that's very exciting. How are y'all doing though? How's your weekend been? I hope that you guys are having a great weekend. I hope that you guys are enjoying the springtime wherever you are. All right, this next one is a game that I sent out for my Ko-fi memberships this month. So we are doing, you're supposed to roll a D4 and then do whatever you get. I had a D6, so luckily we landed on a 4, so we're going to scratch off one of these guys. I'm going to roll and see which one we're scratching. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to save the amount that is listed here with our cute little kawaii plant right here, and that is $5. All right, so $5 going in here. So that's the only thing I'm going to do with that one because I have other things I want to save with. So we have this one. This is my Springlings savings. So we got a 5 and a 6. So 6 and 5 is a bumblebee. So that's $6. All right, 6 and 1 is a butterfly, so that's 3, so that's a total of $9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, then we have this bunny hop. This was also a game that I sent out in my Ko-fi memberships. So let's see, 5, 4. I'm just gonna save $1 per roll on this one. 5 and 4. Let's do 2 more rolls. 3 and 2. Oh, so 3 is our winner, guys. 3 and 2. All right, so we have a winner here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 4 rolls that we did there. Okay. All right, so there's our bunny hop. This is a finished challenge. So I'm going to set that one to the side. Next we have this box challenge. You can get this on my Ko-fi. It's for a couple dollars. We're going to be doing section 2. If you are a member though, it is free for my members. All right, so we are going to save $6 with this one. For section 2, 5 and 6. And let's do section 1. All right, we're going to do the 4. One, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. I guess I don't have my May collab, but I did post it in my Ko-fi, so you can go grab that. It's a roll and save, so nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, but I guess I did not print myself a copy, so my bad on that. But let's see if we can condense this a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. All right, let me grab a 20 from over here. Okay, there we go. So $25, $6, $7, $8 going in here. Then we have Norelis Nori at Norelis Budgets. And we're going to try to just finish up this. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to do $10 in here to finish up this March group play, guys, so that I can take it out and we can start the May one. So let me just color these in. We didn't even get her April one, so we totally skipped the month of April, but that's okay. All right, so for whatever we had left, we took out at the end of this month. So currently, what is today? So we have $10 going in this today, and that is a completed challenge. So we'll put this in our finished challenges bag. And then next time we will start, and actually this one should have gone out a while ago. So we have May ready to go. We will start that one next time. Okay, then we have Buttercup Budgets. She has this box challenge in her Ko-fi, so you can go grab this for free. Let's do section 5. Section 5 is Pillow Fight, so we're just rolling and saving on this one. All right, so we have done all of these. So let's see. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so we have $9 for this box challenge, and we're going to stop there because we finished that section today, so that's exciting. All right, next we have our beautiful budgets. We've been working on this Piggy bingo board. I'm going to roll 2 die and see what we get here. Where's my red? 3 and 4. So let's see. 3 is this thing. 4 is a hay bale. Oh no, 4 is a piggy. Oops. Okay, and we got a bingo. So $10. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 17. Yeah, 17. 15, 16, 17. Okay. We are making our way through our money. I don't know if I told you guys that I have $100 to start with. That was from some side hustle money and my budgeted money that I put aside for this binder every week. Okay, so this box challenge is by CBA Mom Saves. We are going to draw a card and see what we're doing. Search and save, add $3. So we're going to find the little puppy. All right, that is Agape Book Club, and I am already subscribed to this channel, so that's awesome. So we're saving $3 this week with this challenge. All right, and we're going to put this in our cards that we've already done. We're working our way through our cards slowly but surely, guys. Also, do you guys like my new dashboards? Because I just made these. These are going to be what I'm sending out to my Ko-fi members. Well, I'm not sending them out, but they're going to be a digital download for my Ko-fi members. So you can be the lowest tier, the Scribblers tier, which is $3 a month, and you get a copy of the digital version of this. And you also get, if you are in the Scribblers tier, a digital minis and tinies. And then if you are in like any of the tiers above that, you get physical challenges mailed out to you. All right, so this one is by Ladybug Budgets. We're doing this as a roll and save, so we're doing 4 this week. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's all we're gonna do for this one this week. All right, then I have some collabs that I'm gonna be doing, or that I'm doing, that I'm a part of. So let me talk to you guys about those next. Alrighty, y'all, we're gonna get started with our Big Bad Savings. Now, this is a collaboration that I'm doing with all these wonderful ladies. I'll link them down below so you can go check out their channels. And let's get rolling. We're trying to help the pigs get to their house and get there safely. So I think last time we ended here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we made it. So we are going to start again. 1 and 2, we are saving $5 for straw to build our straw house. 3, 4, and 5. All right, so that's big bad savings. My next collaboration is with Eva, Nurse Court Budgets. So Nurse Court Budgets, Budget Your Life, Cash Countess Court, and Millennial Saver. So we are doing like a Plinko style game here where we just see which record we're going to, and then we save that amount. 5, 6. So this is our band, Eva and the Courtneys. 5 and 6. All right, we are saving the orange one, which is $5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already have a lot of savings today. Okay, so next we have some Floating Funds coloring. Floating Funds. This is a 52-week coloring challenge here. So we are going to color in this little branch right here. So I'm, to be honest, guys, having kind of a rough day emotionally. I didn't really feel like sitting down and filming this video, but it's good, I guess, for me mentally to do it, because having that, I don't know, otherwise I would just be sitting here wallowing in my sadness. So if I seem a little bit off today, that is probably why. All right, let's do something low denomination here. Can we even color her? Isn't her body white? Maybe I'll just do like a light pink for her body. I'm gonna color her leg right here. Oh, that's not very light, is it? I don't know. This challenge is by Cindy Cat Budgets. So we're saving $2 with that. Yeah, but guys, it's just been one of those days where I feel a little down. Ari is with her dad this weekend, so that's always tough. I feel like that makes it harder because I miss her. And I think about, you know, my life, and this is not how I envisioned it when I set out to get married and have kids and do all that sort of thing. And that's just how life goes sometimes, I guess. But for the most part, I'm content with where I'm at. There are just those days where it really hits you, and it's a struggle. It's a struggle sometimes. Mostly because I just miss my daughter, and I wish I could be with her every day, but I can't. So I just try to find things to keep me busy like this. And my side hustle, my Etsy store, that keeps me busy, so that's good. And obviously my schoolwork, which I should have done some today, but I didn't. But I'm almost done with that. But that keeps me busy, so that's also a good thing. I don't know what I'm going to do when I'm done with school, though. I do want to start reading for fun. Again, I'm excited to do that because I've always enjoyed reading, and I have not been reading anything for fun since being in my, my specialist degree started. So if you guys have recommendations for any books that you think I should read, go ahead and leave them down below so I can check them out. Yeah, so book recommendations are appreciated. If you have any, I would love to know what they are. All right. Let's see. We're just gonna do this yellow for the watering can. I started Fourth Wing a while ago, and I never finished that. So I know that that's going to be one of my first ones that I want to finish. And then I guess there's book number 2 and book number 3 came out recently. So I have a lot of catching up to do on that series. And I'm trying to think what else. I've seen a lot of good books, or books that look good that I want to read about, like, I don't know, self-help or like whatever it's called. I don't remember. All right, anyways, this is Glory's budget. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are saving $5 with this challenge this week. All right. Next, we have Saving with Tiffany, Hunting with My Gnomies. We have $1, $2, $3 left here today. And I could pull more, but I think I'm just going to put a paper clip here, and we will do the rest of these challenges when we come back to it next week. Because I have so many challenges in here, it's going to be hard to get through all of them in 1 week, like in one sitting. So let's find a 3 that we can color in. I don't know if we're ever going to finish this challenge, guys. I feel like it's taking us forever, and Easter has come and gone. We might be here till next Easter, but that's okay. There are so many eggs that we still haven't colored yet. Okay, so we'll come back next week. We will start with Hot Mess Express. So let me put a paper clip in here to remind myself that that's where we're starting. And again, like I mentioned, if you guys like these dashboards, you can go grab them. If you want to become a member in my Ko-fi, a little scribbler, for $3 a month, you can have these cute dashboards that I will be posting soon. I haven't posted these ones yet, but the ones that I posted last month look like this. They're little butterflies, and there's 4 different colors. There's green, pink, purple, blue. So I'll put I'm putting those in my other binder, but these ones will be the ones that I'm releasing for this month, for like the month of June, because everything that I release is for like 1 month ahead. So there's that. Thank you all so much for being here today with me and saving some money with me, and motivating me to get off my butt and stop wallowing in my misery. If you are still here, put a little watermelon emoji in celebration of this cute little, this is actually a planter, but I'm using it for pens and stuff. I need to figure it out though, because I don't know, I feel like they're falling down in there, but it's so cute and I love it. And so put a watermelon emoji if you're here at the end of the video. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow for Mini Mondays. Bye.